Hi guys, welcome to the first episode of our game platformer or a platform game. So now that's what we will make it today. Player jump, move the slopes, and yeah. So I have the sprites, one a player with one custom and level 1 on custom and control with no custom actually. So when the green flag is clicked, I'll just go to this place. Then I'll add a for loop. I'll delete my variable and make a variable called x for the sprite only. I will set and change x multiplied by 0.9. So in our game I will make the player can move with the arrows and with the WASD, and it also can jump with the space key. So for that I have a control sprite, and I'll make a 6 variable up and all the variables for the sprite only, and down, left, right. So right minus left, up minus down. So first, when I receive check control, sorry, when I receive check control, set up and down, and the left and the right, and all of them I will have all. So why we put the OR? Because one for the arrows and one for the WASD. But in the app we will have two OR because arrow, WASD and the space key. So key space, I'll put a key in all of them. I think it's better to do that. So up arrow or a W or a space, then S. Okay, I'll make the arrow first. Or down arrow, left and right arrow, A and D. So now there are false, and if I just do forever broadcast check control, so now if I just click, it will just say to me true and false. So now I'll set the left minus right and up minus down to minus, you guess it, up minus down and right minus left. So I will just broadcast check control and we'll use the off operator. Control left minus right. After that, move X, the column, then input X. And in this custom block, we will make the player move. Where is the block? Okay, then I'll put this over here and change x position by x. So now you can see I have a player movement, but actually without wall colliding. So to make it, repeat until not touching level, or you can use the color if you want. So repeat until not touching level. If else x is bigger than 0, that means it is a positive number, then I want to move it by a negative number. -1 must be so small. So now if I just click the green flag, you can see just like sliding, so you can just run without screen refresh. Just click it and yes, here it is. And it just may be lagging if you not put the set x to this one. Okay, that's up, minus down. I just make it for all sprites. I must just click this, then set it to up, minus down. Okay, so now can collide. And to make a gravity variable called y, and I'll set it to 0. And also I set the x to 0. Change y by -1. After that, make a new block called move y column, then a text input y, and without screen refresh. You can duplicate this code and change y by y, then repeat until not touching the level. If 0 is less than y, then change y by -1, and else change y by 1 and set y to 0. So now forget to move y by y. So now you can see it just have a gravity, but the problem it's our slope. The player can't go up. So if touching level, repeat 12 times, or you can make it any number you want. Change y by -12, so this number must be the same with this number, but the difference you must put the minus over here. Change y by 1, then if not touching level, stop the script. So now I must just put that up over here. So now you can see we can go up and come down. So there are something missing. The player must be jump. So make a new variable, bowling, for the sprite only. Set bowling to 5. And here I will set it to 0 and change it by 1 over here. Then if I can just do that, okay. if falling is less than 3, and another if equals less than, or you can use the bigger than. Okay, up is bigger than 0. Then you will set y to 50. So now you can see I can jump, go up slopes, and do anything. But the problem, we can just when I hold the up arrow, it will just go up. So now here it must be before we do this code, or we can just put it over here. So now, okay, our player can't jump, over here, and it can't stack anymore. And yes, that for part 1. And I hope you enjoy the tutorial, and episode 2 will be coming soon. Bye bye.